So back for the second part of the video, you'll see that all the brake lines under the car are all new. Have all been fitted with the original clips and brackets. I also noticed that there are patches underneath the car where there was a little bit of corrosion, surface corrosion. These have all now been repaired. So very little work under here apart from repairing some of the underseal, which if you've been following the story, you'll have realised that I actually discovered this car is a low mileage car. It's only done 21,000 miles, and that's been borne out by the work that we've been doing on the car. So it's needed very little really just to get it back up to the proper condition. I've changed all the fluids, including the differential and the gearbox and the overdrive fluid. And just generally tidied up the underseal and lubricated everything under here just to get it back to the correct condition. So as soon as the oil pipe's fitted and the seats are returned, I've actually sent the seats away to get some repair work done on the centre sections of the cloth where the stitching was coming out. As soon as they return, then the car will be finished and it'll be fully up for sale then. So watch this space.